AMD Ryzen 7700F Review Best Mid-Range CPU for Gaming and Content Creation? The AMD Ryzen 7 8700F is an 8-core, 16-thread desktop processor built for AM5 gaming and productivity PCs, but with newer Ryzen processors available. Is the 8700F still worth buying today? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The 8700F uses AMD's Zen 4 architecture with a 4.1 GHz base clock and boost speeds up to 5 GHz. It supports DDR5 memory and has a 65-watt default TDP, making it a relatively efficient option for a mid-range desktop. For gaming, the most important point is that this CPU is designed to work with a dedicated graphics card. That makes it a better fit for users who are already planning a proper gaming GPU rather than a system relying on integrated graphics. With 8 cores and 16 threads, the 8700F is also capable of handling everyday productivity, multitasking, streaming, and content creation. Its IM5 platform gives you access to modern DDR5 memory and a broad range of compatible motherboards. However, there are some compromises. Compared with some other Ryzen processors, the 8700F has a smaller cache and supports PCIe 4.0 rather than PCIe 5.0, and because it requires a dedicated GPU for serious display use, it may not be the best choice for a low-cost PC build. The biggest factor is price. If you find the Ryzen 7 8700F at a strong discount, its 8 Zen 4 cores can still make it a capable gaming and productivity CPU, but if newer Ryzen models are similarly priced, comparing performance and platform features before buying is important. Overall, the 8700F, gamers and creators who want 8 cores, efficient power consumption, and an AM5 platform while already planning to use a dedicated graphics card. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what CPU you're using.